Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lion's mane mushroom tincture. This powerful herbal remedy can be easily prepared at home using a dual extraction method. We will cover everything from gathering your supplies to the final combining of the extracts. You'll learn how to maximize the beneficial compounds from the mushrooms, ensuring a high-quality product. Let's get started on crafting your very own lion's mane tincture. To begin, gather your essential supplies. You will need approximately 100 grams of dried lion's mane mushrooms, which can be purchased or dried yourself. Also, acquire about 750 milliliters of high-proof alcohol, such as vodka or grain alcohol, at least 80 proof. Distilled water is crucial for the second extraction phase. Don't forget glass jars for maceration, a fine mesh strainer, and small dark dropper bottles for storage. The first step involves the alcohol extraction. Place your dried lion's mane mushrooms into a clean glass jar and cover them completely with the high-proof alcohol. Seal the jar tightly and store it in a cool, dark place for at least 4 to 6 weeks. Remember to shake the jar vigorously once a day. This process extracts the triterpenes and other alcohol-soluble compounds, forming the potent alcohol extract. After the alcohol extraction, strain the mushroom material and set the liquid aside. Now, take the strained mushroom material and simmer it in about 500 milliliters of distilled water for 2 to 3 hours, reducing the liquid by half. Strain this water extract. Finally, combine the alcohol extract and the concentrated water extract. This dual extraction ensures you capture both alcohol-soluble and water-soluble beneficial compounds, creating a full-spectrum tincture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.